Parking brakes can be incorporated into disc brake systems, but the majority of parking brakes utilize the drum brake systems. When the drum brakes are applied by the driver's foot on the brake pedal, hydraulic fluid forces the wheel cylinder to expand and apply the brakes. The parking brake is almost always operated by a cable, not by brake fluid pressure. When the parking brake is applied, a cable pulls a lever which forces the brake shoes to spread apart, pushing them against the inside of the brake drum to stop the vehicle from moving. The park brake also operates the auto adjuster inside the brake drum. The auto adjuster is the bar that goes between the two brake shoes. The star-shaped wheel or gear is attached to a threaded bolt. Each time the park brake is applied and released, an arm tries to turn that star gear to ensure that the brake shoes remain close to the drum, but not touching when the brakes are released.